Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County in western North Carolina, northeastern Haywood County in western North Carolina, west central Buncombe County in western North Carolina, 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles north of Waynesville, Oregon, 7 miles northeast of Smoky Mountains, Cataloochee, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Pebble Creek, Rush, Flames Creek, Max Patch, Smoky Mountains, Cataloochee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location areas affected occurred.